Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Appify. So today in this video I'll show you how to make your Twitter account public. So without getting further delay, let's jump into our video. First of all, open up your Twitter application. It will land up you to this interface. Here tap on profile picture on top left corner. Now go to settings and support as shown here. Next tap on setting and privacy, and here go to privacy and safety. Next tap on audience and tagging. Now here you can see that your post is protected. Only show your post to people who follow you. In order to make it public, simply toggle it. And again toggle on this also. It will make your videos public. So in this way you can make your account public on Twitter. So that is it for today. If you guys like this video, do not forget to like, comment and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.